me Patricia and welcome back to my channel. So this is an unboxing video and you already know that what it is by the title, but you don't know that how excited I am. So I bought my second pair of Valentino Rockstud shoes and they are the most popular shoes of the century. Yes, Valentino Rockstud was launched in 2010 and since then we have seen celebrities wearing them, princes wearing them. So it is popular from Hollywood red carpet to royal palaces. This is celebrity shoes, princess shoes, and Patricia's shoes too. I'm talking too much. Maybe I'm excited, that's why. So let's unbox. Drum roll please. This is my shoe box. The red wine box. I mean, the color looks like red wine. That's why I say it. Red wine box. So I can already feel the luxury. This box feels like this is made up of cloth, but this is not cloth. This is paper. And this is so beautiful. So let's open the box. And this has 3 little envelopes or packets, extra heel caps. These are the heel caps that they provided, and one has rock studs. There are 2 extra rock studs just in case if you lose them, so you can replace. And the last one has care guide, I believe. Yes. So I would highly recommend you to read the care guide book because that gives you proper direction to take care of the shoes. This is the dust bag and it says Valentino Garavani, made in Italy. I'm really happy about the packaging. I mean, so far it looks really good, and now it's time to review. I can already see the beauties. Oh, how pretty this is. Look, so beautiful. So they created foot shape using this paper because you see that they want to keep this in pristine condition. That's why they used it. So I would say do not throw this away. Keep this so that your shoes will look in its shape. I'm so excited. So this is the beauty. Okay, let's open the other one. So look at this beauty. How pretty they are. Oh my god, so beautiful. So I bought in nude shade. They call this color Portrait. I will take it close so that you can see. I think my camera focused. So you can see that this is nice nude heel with golden rock studs, and the rock studs are pyramid shape. These are platinum coated. This is the grainy leather, so I don't have to worry about scratching or scuffing, and they look really gorgeous. So I bought these shoes in size 37, but my actual size is 36.5. It's not that they run small. So if I buy a close to high-end shoes, then I go half a size bigger than my actual size. Sometimes we stand for a long time and we sit for a long time and our feet are hanging all day and they swell. So when they swell, so you have extra room so that you don't have to worry about blisters. When you buy half a size bigger than your actual size for this type of closed-toe shoes, I would highly recommend you to buy these pads for your shoes, and you can customize this too, so you can cut it down or you can rip it the way you like, and you can insert this. I see there is a sticker underneath. It's saying, really sorry, but if you remove me, you can't return me, and I don't want to return this, so let's take it off. So I took the sticker out. They're my shoes. Now let's talk about the bottom. The bottom is so beautiful and I want to show you the bottom too. So at the bottom it says Valentino Garavani, made in Italy, and the shoe size. And this is like a jewelry for my feet. So pretty. And the name tag here, this is also made up of cloth. Like I said that I have another pair, and this sole is really good. This doesn't make your feet like sweaty, and they are appropriate enough to complement any outfit. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can absolutely flaunt them the way you want. You can rock your outfit with Rockstuds. This is more like an accessory for my feet, like I said, and I can wear my Rockstuds during fall, summer, spring, and winter. Yeah, in winter as well. So in winter, what I do is I wear glittery or shimmery socks, and I wear my Valentino with them, and it looks so perfect. I will try to insert clip with this video so that you can see, and it looks so gorgeous, so outstanding. So that is another reason why I buy half a size bigger than my actual size, because that gives me room. And these shoes are really expensive. They retail for $1,075 in US, and usually they are not on sale. I saw the plain calfskin on sale, but if you are lucky then you will get your size. But I have never seen these like grainy leathers are on sale, so they hold their value. So I would highly recommend you to take care of the shoes properly. These shoes are expensive, so you buy these shoes with your hard-earned money. And also, people who made these shoes, you want to respect that too. The first thing you need to do is, when you take them off, after you wear them, you should wipe the inside and out with the microfiber cloth, and do not rub it too much. I really want to keep them in nice condition because I love my shoes. And also, if you sell the shoes in future, if the bottom looks good, then you get good value. For the bottom part, I bought this sole protector. You can use this for your red bottoms, you can use this for your any high-end shoes. And you have to place these sheets on a surface. Place your shoe like this, and with the help of a pencil, you should draw the outline first. Cut it and put it like a sticker. It's easy. I would give link for these and these so that you can buy easily and take care of your shoes. As you can see that this heel is really high. This is about 100 centimeter, which is 4 inch, and they are so very comfortable. You know that when you buy high-end luxury items, each of the item has a number. So for Valentino Rockstud shoes, starts with VST and 6 digit, and both of the shoe has the same number. So you will see the shoe number to the outer part of your shoe right in here. I highly recommend Valentino Rockstud shoe. 4 reasons why. Number 1, this is iconic. Oh my god, when you will wear these heels, these will elevate your mood instantly, like boom. This is so pretty. Number 2, they're so comfortable. Number 3, they are timeless and versatile. You can wear this with shorts, jeans, with formal dress. And number 4, they hold their value. These shoes have the highest resale value. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because that inspires me to make more videos. I will see you next time. Bye!